Love handles. Do you have them? These pockets of excess fat over the lower side of the abdominal area and hips, well, aren't exactly easy to handle. Also, there's nothing to love about them, right? In today's video, I'll be sharing some of the exercises that you can do in order to get rid of love handles, and also I have a bonus tip right before the video ends, so make sure you watch till the end. So what causes love handles? There are two factors. Number one, the lifestyle factors, and number two, general factors. When it comes to lifestyle factors, this includes things like zero exercises, processed foods, sugary foods, and junk foods. When it comes to general factors, these are things like poor or lack of adequate sleep, age factors, and untreated health conditions. Before we get into the exercises that get rid of love handle, please note this: there is no one particular exercise that will help you lose fat in any region of the body. It has to be 100% health diet and 100% working out, so that you can be able to create an overall caloric deficit, which is the only way to be able to lose fat in any part of the body. These are the intense exercises that you need to do on a regular basis in order to lose love handles. Number one, burpees. I know that you have a love-hate relationship when it comes to burpees, but they are great because they combine both cardio and strength training. When done properly and consistently, they are a high-intensity workout that gets your heart pumping and sweat flowing. Remember, the goal is to target a workout that works on your overall body, and burpees exactly do this. Number two, mountain climbers. This workout is incredibly efficient as a compound exercise. Mountain climbers work multiple muscles groups and joints at the same time. It works on your core and other body muscles. Number three, standing oblique crunches. These are relatively easy exercises where you stand upright, then put your hands on the back of your head and bend to the left while raising your knee until it makes contact with your elbow. With this exercise, you will feel immediately energized, and also it helps to keep the tension in your core. Speaking of attention, if you're enjoying this video, kindly give it a thumbs up so that I can be able to spread to more people. Thank you. Number four, bicycle crunches. This exercise requires you to move your body more, helping you engage a wide range of muscle groups. In addition, it helps you to form abdominal muscles. Last but not least, Russian twist. Start by sitting down on the floor on your hips, bend your knees and keep your feet flat on the floor. Lean back and form a 45 degrees angle. Russian twist works the obliques and abs. Remember that all these exercises will not work without a proper nutrition plan. And here is the bonus tip that you've been waiting for. Incorporate intermittent fasting. One of the hardest part of the body that I had a problem with losing fat was the love handles. But when I incorporated intermittent fasting, and it is not the small fast or the short fast, I had to do a longer fast, and this included fasting for 20 hours and then eating within a 4-hour window. That is when I experienced incredible results. Love handles starts and end in the kitchen, so make sure that you eat clean, and this includes eating a lot of fiber, proteins, avoiding stress at all costs, and getting adequate sleep. Remember to be disciplined and consistent, because that is the name of the game, and within no time, love handles will be history. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Kindly leave me a comment down below. Also, please subscribe if you still haven't. I'll see you on the next one.